Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have a 2012 Nissan Maxima. It has a code for mass air flow meter sensor. I'm gonna go to engine to see what code I have. We're complaining about the code P0101. You see the check engine light is there. We need to be sure that if it is already up to date. If it's not up to date, we have to update the computer first. Mass air flow meter sensor 101. So I'm gonna close this. I gotta go back home. Go home to this section and go to programming and initialization. And then we're gonna go confirm. Click next. Nissan Maxima 2012. Confirm. Engine control module. You must have internet too, because without internet you cannot authenticate it. Programming. Okay, save. Now it will tell us if there is a programming. Confirm. Next. Yes, there is. In order to program the engine computer, you must have the charger on. It's my charger because sometimes the fan kick in. You have to have internet. Gotcha. I will like, because this one is going to be there. Open your phone. I'm going to pause my video and subscribe before I program your car. If not, the software will not go through. I'm just kidding. Okay, best car fixes. Okay, here we are in. As you see, now I'm gonna download it. I'm gonna put this one down to get the username and password of my access. Okay, I'm gonna go next. Next. Oh, load signal, something on. What is that? Headlight? Yeah, it was headlight. You see headlight on, headlight off, load off, start. Sometimes you need an internet. Be sure your feet not to hang here and messed up the thing. So make it good. Now it redirect me to get used to put my access online and then log in. Now it's gonna open and it will tell you the you see 10 minutes. Right away transfer to VI and then from there to the computer. So now we are in a programming mode to eliminate the P0101 mass air flow meter sensor. We don't have no other choice. This is the only way. As you see now, we are programming the computer. Programming is finished. Turn the key off. You have to follow the step. تابع الخطوات. Follow the step. 9-10 seconds. Turn the ignition on. Okay. We're gonna do the idle relearn. Car is running. Follow the step. Start. Complete. If you see complete, is good. That's it. Executing. The RPM go all the way to 0. Complete the RPM. Next, I'm done. Okay, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Ignition on. ignition on 2 seconds, off 10 seconds, start the car. On again to clear all the codes, and then we take it from there. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris for programming, updating the computer for code P0101. Thanks.